Right, so let's go into spheres. In this document, I have those. I have included those homework question as well. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. So, you know the formulas corresponding to spheres, Raghav. I hope that you do.
Sir, I think it's 4 pi r.
4 pi r square. What is that?
Sir, I think it's 4 pi r.
Yeah. What is that? What is that for a sphere? 4
So
pi r
that's
square.
the surface area of
Yeah,
a sphere.
absolutely. But why is it so? 4 pi r square. You know.
Sir, because the area of a circle is pi r square.
So 4 times circle, right? That is a valid answer. But I have a better explanation for the same. I would just share it. What happens here is,
Yes, sir.
Raghav, you have a sphere. Let's say you have a sphere of radius r. Let me uh, take this system. Yeah, system. Yeah, yeah. Right. So you have a sphere of radius r. Let's say a ball, right? Tennis ball, right? Of radius, let's say,
Yes.
5 centimeters. Now, find a cylinder. Find a cylinder whose base radius is same as the radius of sphere, that is r, or 5 centimeter, whatever, whatever scenario you have, right? Whatever example, whatever, context you have. And the height of the cylinder should be equal to the diameter of the sphere. Diameter of the sphere. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
If you can find such a cylinder, you would notice that the curved surface area of the cylinder, the curved surface, okay? I'm talking about the curved surface area. The curved surface area of the cylinder would be exactly equal to the surface area of the sphere. Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
So if your ball, let's say you have a ball, tennis ball of 5 centimeter radius, and you can find a cylinder with, what should be the radius? What did I explain just now?
Sir, the radius is basically the distance from the endpoint. Right?
Yeah, I'm not asking about that. What did I just explain? If you have a sphere of radius r, you have to find a cylinder with base radius r and height equal to the diameter of the sphere. So if you have a ball, let's say,
Yes,
of
sir.
centimeter radius, what kind of a cylinder are you going to find? What will be the base radius of the
So,
cylinder?
so the base radius of the cylinder will be 5 and the height will be 10.
Very good. That's what I was asking about. What were you trying to answer?
No, sir, I thought you meant something else. Which I got
So
confused.
if you can find such a cylinder which has base radius 5 and height 10, what will happen is, if you unwrap this, the tennis balls have clothes over it, right? This is cloth. This is, I mean, the
Yes, sir.
outer skin is a cloth, right? So
Yes,
if you
sir.
unwrap this and cut this cloth into rectangular pieces or any shaped pieces, right? And paste the pieces
Yes,
over
sir.
here. Paste the pieces over here on the curved surface, okay?
Yes, sir.
You will notice that all of this cloth will cover exactly cover the curved surface area of the cylinder. Are you getting
Okay,
it,
sir.
Raghav?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. So what do we mean by this explanation? We mean that the CSA of this cylinder, what is CSA? How do you find out CSA of a cylinder?
Sir, pi r square h.
Oh, Raghav, you're not keeping things in mind. It is 2 pi RH. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, what is H? What is H over here?
2r.
So 2 pi R times 2R. What is it going to be?
4 pi r
4 pi
square.
C. Do you
Okay,
notice
sir.
something here?
Yes, sir. I did.
This is the CSA or surface area. CSA and TSA is same for sphere. This is the surface area of the sphere.
Okay, sir.
Got the picture, boy?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Note this. CSA, just surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square.
Hmm?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's move to volume. You have just two formulas for sphere. Now, notice this again, Raghav. Do you recall do you know the formula for volume of a sphere? Do you?
Sir, volume of a sphere, it was, sir, they didn't take that in class yet.
Okay, it has not been covered. This chapter has been taken or not? I mean, taught in class or
Sir,
not?
this chapter has been taken, but then the volume of sphere, they haven't taken it.
Okay,
So,
I will let you know. This all have to go together, right? We cannot skip volume and stuff, and study surface area and volumes at the same time. It is included in the chapter, so we should take it. Okay, I'll just explain it to you. You know what, Raghav, how did I
yes, sir.
explain the volume of a cone? Do you recall how I explained the volume of a cone to you?
Sir, length of, no, like surface area into length of base. My bad, area of base.
Yeah, that is fine. 1/3 pi r square h, that is the formula for volume. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about how is it that volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r square h. We know that pi r
Sir,
square,
what
yeah.
volume
We know
is
that,
the area a 3D object occupies inside a figure?
do you recall that I explained to you that if you
Yes, sir, I do remember. You made a square and then
square,
you drew a painting in that, and then you told that you called it occupies the area, and then for the cuboid we did something else, and then yeah.
what are you talking about? I did draw a square for explaining volume of a cone, right?
No, sir, not a square, a rectangle.
A cylinder, boy, a cylinder.
Uh, oh,
What is going on? Uh look.
no.
I'll just rephrase what I explained the other day. If you have a cylinder with base radius r, cone also has base radius r. The height of the cylinder is h. Cone also has the height h. Then you know what? 3 times the volume of cone would be equal to the volume of the cylinder. 3 times. If you
Okay.
fill this cone with some liquid, and then transfer it to the cylinder, the cylinder will be filled in 3 goes, 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
So 3 times the volume of cone is equal to the volume of the cylinder. Pi r square h, which is the volume of the cylinder, is equal to 3 times the volume of cone, right? So what is volume of cone actually?
So 3
You have to transfer
3
the
into,
other side.
yes sir, 3 into 3 by 4 or something like that.
Talking about cone, Raghav, I'm talking about cone. You just have to transfer this to the other side, 3.
Yes sir, so 3 pi r square h.
Yeah, this is multiplication. If you transfer 3 to the other side, it'll be
Division, yes sir,
what's
pi
wrong with
r square h by 3.
1 by 3 pi r square h. That is the volume of the cone. We used it in questions the other day, right?
Yes
Come
sir.
on, boy. Okay. Now you understand that the volume of a cone is 1/3
Volume of a, yes.
pi r square h. Now listen to me carefully, okay, so that you don't get confused or forget it later. Listen to me. If you
Yes.
have a sphere, right? If you have a sphere of radius r, what will be the height of the sphere from
Sir,
here to here?
2D, sorry, 2r, that's diameter.
Yes, absolutely. Now, suppose you have cone, right? Cones actually. The sort of the radius of base is same as the sphere r, and the height of the cone is the diameter of the sphere. That means 2r.
Yes, sir.
Then you know what? Two such cones will be required to fill the sphere. Are you getting the idea, boy?
Yes, sir.
That means if you fill these cones, two such cones with milk or water or oil or whatever you want to fill in here, if you fill these two cones with some fluid and transfer them to this sphere, the sphere will be completely filled. Are you getting
Okay,
me?
sir.
So
Yes,
what
sir.
do we understand by that? What do we understand by that? Can you
Sir,
tell?
we understand that the liquid or anything that fills the cone occupies it.
Yes, Raghav?
No, sir, we understand that it occupies the volume and not.
Yeah, that's fine. So volume of sphere happen to be what?
Volume of sphere happen to be 1 by 3 pi r square h.
That's only one cone.
Yes, sir.
You have to take two cones to fill the sphere.
Yes, sir. So 1
So
by 3 into 2.
1 by
Sir, 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 1 by 3 pi r square h. That's
very good. Then
basically 2
yes.
into 2.
Okay.
So,
So what is
uh,
H?
so h is radius 2 into r 2r.
2R. So what will be the final answer? Can you tell?
Uh, 1 by 3 pi r square 4r.
Yes. 4 by 3
4
by
by 3 pi r square.
square or cube?
Cube, sorry, cube.
Note this, please. Note this. You are messing it up a little. I'm not very happy. Okay. I'm not very happy, Raghav. You messed up, all my explanation on spheres, sorry, cylinders, sorry, cones. I explained to you very neatly that cones are 1/3 of the volume of sphere if they have same base radius and same height.
Okay.
Similarly, I have just explained that a sphere can be filled with two cones, right? Two
Yes,
cone
sir.
equivalent of fluid, two cone full of fluid, right? Two cones which are identical and they have base radius r and height to r. That means the radius of sphere and radius of cone is same, and the height of the cone is equal to the diameter of the sphere. Please note this, right? Please note this, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you understood spheres. What is surface area of a sphere?
Sir, the sphere is 4 pi r, sir.
Wonderful, we just understood that. Very good. So these are the only two formulas we apply for spheres, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, moving on. We have hemisphere. Do you notice that hemisphere is half of the sphere?
Yes, sir. So its surface area will be 2 pi r.
Yes, but is it the total surface area? What do you reckon?
Sir, I mean the total surface area?
You mean total surface area? For sphere,
Yes.
we have CSA and TSA equal to 4 pi r square. It's same. Curved surface area and total surface area. And the volume is 4/3 pi r cube. Fantastic. Now, look at
Yes,
this.
sir.
Look at the hemisphere, Raghav, carefully. In
Yes,
a hemisphere, we have curved surface. This part is curved, right?
yes, sir.
And we have a flat surface also. Do you notice?
Yes, sir.
So here, the curved surface and the flat surfaces are distinct. I mean, you have a curved surface area and a total surface area. They are distinct. They are not equal. Curved surface area is different from total surface area. This is the curved surface, and this over here, this flat part, circular part is the flat surface, okay?
Yes.
So for hemisphere, you will have three formulas. What are those? First, CSA. What did you say about CSA?
Sir, CSA is 2 pi r square?
Yes, it is exactly half of this because this red part over here, red surface, is
Yes.
exactly half of this. So 2 pi r square, that's fine. But what is TS?
Yeah. Sir, I think it was.
What do you understand by TSA?
TSA is total surface area.
So this is the curved part which is 2 pi r
Sir,
square.
yes, sir, I remember. 3 pi r square.
Yes, there you go. You just have to add this part which is another pi r square, right? So total will be 3 pi r square, right?
Yes.
What is going to be the volume? Just
Volume.
half of the sphere.
Yes,
What is it going to be?
sir. The volume, I think it was something.
Half of this, Raghav. There is nothing
Yes,
there to
sir.
it.
Like half of it, 4 by 3. The volume of it was like, I think, 2 by 3.
Work out on paper. Work out on paper if you are confused a little.
No, sir, I remember. That's what I'm telling. It was
Yeah.
something like 2 by 3 pi r square.
Yes, that's it. 2/3 pi r square. A pi r cube, rather. Is there a
Oh,
square there?
sorry, sir, pi r cube. No, sir, I.
There you go. So
Find the volume and surface area of a sphere of radius 21 centimeter.
okay, so what is it? What is it that
Okay.
we are going to do over here? You help me, it's okay. I will sort of, you would need to do the calculation. So I'm not going to do that.
Written on paper?
Yes, Anish?
Written on paper?
Yeah, you can. You want to try first?
Yeah.
Okay, go on, try.
So volume will be 88 into 21 times 21.
Seems so. Yeah, that's absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Wonderful, wonderful. That shows
Surface area
improvement.
was 3 pi square, right?
Yes. Come again. I didn't get you.
Surface area was
4 pi square.
yeah, 2. Okay.
But did you calculate it in full? I mean, what did you get for the final answer for volume?
I did multiply it.
It didn't multiply.
Use
Get it?
calculator. Wait, can I use calculator?
Yep, of course, go on. But that is not the way we should do it.
Yeah, but like I know how to multiply. It's fine.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Go on. Calculate it.
38,808.
38808
Yeah.
centimeter cube. 38
Square.
800. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go on to find out the surface area. I wrote it right. So,
Let's calculate. Hold it up.
what is it going to be? Do you reckon?
2772.
774. 8 3 24, 8 6 48.
Right. It's
7
no. Wait. It's 2 pi square, right?
pi square. It's a sphere, minus sphere.
Oh, so wait, does it 2 pi square or 4?
4 pi square for sphere.
Okay, I did 2 pi square. That's why. I did 2 pi square, so that's wrong.
It's okay, but take care when you do the questions, right? We are talking about sphere over here, right? It has to be 4 pi square. Okay, boy, done?
Yeah.
Okay, let's move to the next question then. I'm erasing this. Okay, check out this one. Find the, come on, read it.
And the surface area of a sphere whose volume is 4851 cm cube.
Okay, so what are we gonna do here?
Oh, surface. Oh.
Is the radius given? Is the radius given, Anish?
No.
So, but to find out surface area, you would be needing sphere, right? What is the formula for finding out surface area of a sphere?
4 pi square.
So R is needed, and
Yeah.
radius is not given. So what are we going to do? What else is given to us? The question.
Find the surface area of a sphere whose volume is 4851. There's only the volume given.
Volume is given, right?
Yeah.
So how can we work out radius using the volume?
Hmm. Uh,
So what is the formula for finding out volume of a sphere?
volume is 4 by 3 pi r square.
Pi r cubed.
Sorry, cube, yeah.
So can we not assign 485.1 to it? I mean, that is the value, right? That has the value 4851 volume,
Yeah.
right? So using that, we can find out radius. Take a look. Let's do it together. So let us just go to the point. Volume is given to be 4851 centimeter. Now we are pretty much aware that 4/3 pi r cubed is how we find out volume.
Yeah.
Plug in the values, Anish. 4/3. What is pi's value?
22 by 7.
Times r cubed. We cannot do
R
anything.
cube.
That's what we are looking for, right? R. Okay, boy. What next? What do you think we are going to do next?
So, multiply 7 with that. 4851.
Yes, we are going to transpose everything that is given constants to the other side.
Eighty-eight. No, sphere. Sphere.
Okay. So any common factors to cancel out in the numerator and denominator?
No. Divide 4851 by 11.
Yes, because there is no number in the numerator which can be divided by 2, right?
Yeah.
So only factor left in the denominator is 11. So you got to try with 11.
441.
441. See, it's so simple. You're very good at calculations, Anish. Really. Okay. Now, 441, is it a perfect square, Anish?
Yeah. 21.
21. See, you are getting couple of 21s. Just a second. I get mistake over here. You are getting couple of 21s in 441. And there is a 21 here, right? 7 threes.
Yeah.
And divided by 2 into 2 into 2. Do you notice that?
Yeah.
4 times
Yeah.
2 below, right?
Yeah.
So that's 2 into 2 into 2. So this is actually 21 by 2 cubed. Is there a doubt?
No.
So we can have this cube eliminated, and we shall have 21 divided by 2 centimeter as the radius. See, is there a doubt? Now we need to find out surface area. Come on, work out surface area, please.
Four pi r square, right?
Yep.
We did 10.5 or 21 by 2.
22 by, 21 by 2 would be real cool to use over here. So we have 22 multiplied by 63, right? What is it gonna give us? 326.
Yeah, I'm just calculating it.
6 and so 18. 6 2s are 8.
1386.
6 30. 186. Centimeter square it has to be, right?
Yeah.
Okay, done. This is also done. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Let's go into a different kind of a question. Take a look at this. And let's read it once.
Yeah. How many spherical bullets can be made out of a solid cube of lead whose edge measures 44 cm, each bullet being 4 centimeter in diameter? Okay.
So what is being done in this question? What is being done over here in this question, Ranesh?
Try to see that. Okay, we have to first find the diameter. So wide. I don't understand the question.
You don't understand the question. How many spherical bullets or balls, let's just call it balls, that can be made out of a solid cube? So we have a cube, right? I'll just draw a rough sketch. Cube. There is a cube. There is a cube, right? What is the side
Yeah.
of the cube?
Side 44 centimeters.
Side is 44 centimeters. Very good. What is the volume of a cube? Formula?
Volume.
Yes.
The diameter is 4. So wait. Oh wait. Volume. Solid cube is 4 area. Our volume and area are the same thing. No.
I did explain in the first class, right? I explained cube, cuboid, cylinder. Volume of a cube is edge cube, side cube. Okay,
I need to be edge.
side cube. Now notice, now see this condition. This cube is to be made into bullets or balls. Small balls, okay? Identical balls. Their radius is same. All of their radius is same. That means they are identical balls. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me one thing, Anish. Suppose you have a gold coin. Okay. Gold coin. Hear me?
Yeah.
You have a gold coin. You are very rich. You have one gold coin, and you want to have a ring made out of it. Ring. Okay.
Yeah.
You want to have a ring made out of it. Let me draw one. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you think the price of this ring and the price of this gold coin would be different? I'm not talking about making charge or anything of that kind. I'm talking about the material. Do you think the price of the ring and the price of the gold coin will be different at
Yeah,
a time? How is it that they are going to be different, the prices?
because the left gold coin has more, more, what is it? I guess, value,
So
value of lead.
I'm just saying that they have the same substance. You drew this, you
Yeah,
made
but the gold coin has more volume, like more filling, whatever.
how did I say that it has more volume? I just told you that this gold coin is made into the ring.
Oh, okay.
So I mean ring will have the same volume as the gold coin, right?
Yeah,
So the price will be same, right?
yeah. Okay, interesting.
So the you are still
Yeah.
confused. Tell me what is the confusion about, please? Oh, my video was not on. Oh my God, when did I turn it off?
Oh, I thought you were sick.
Tell me what is the confusion? I told you that you have a gold coin, right? You have a gold coin.
Yeah,
You went to the goldsmith and you told him to convert it into a ring.
yeah,
I am not telling you to consider the making charge or anything. Okay? So the value of the gold coin will be same as the value of the ring, right?
yeah, yeah,
Because the same substance is being converted into the ring.
yeah. Okay.
What does that mean? It means that the volume is same. Are you getting the picture?
Yeah.
The volume here is same as the volume here. That's why there will be no change in price.
Okay.
Same goes on with this question. Same goes on. Same is the case with this question. This cube is being converted into balls. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
So the sum of the volumes of all of these balls would be equal to the volume of the cube.
Yeah.
This is a key concept, Arnesh. You got to hold this from here on forever. When you melt something, when you convert something, some solid into some other solid, the volume remains constant. The volume does not change. The material substance does not change at all. Okay,
Okay.
right. What is the radius of the spheres, identical spheres in the question?
Okay. How many spherical bullets can be made out of a solid cube of lead whose edge measures 44, each bullet being 4? So, what is the question again?
Radius of the spheres would be, identical spheres would be
2.
2. Very good.
Okay.
Did you say 2?
Yeah, I did say 2. I did.
You did, right? Fantastic, fantastic. Okay. What do we actually have to find out? Can you guess from the question? Can you read the question and try to understand what is actually to be found out?
How many bullets can be made out of the lead?
How many spherical bullets? What does that mean?
Uh, like, how many bullets can be made out of that lead?
That is number of bullets, right? Number of balls, right?
Yeah.
So we do not know the number of balls. Let us start by assuming let n be the number of balls or bullets made. Now, what happened? We just understood the volume, sum of volumes of all of these balls would be equal to the volume of the cube.
Yeah.
What will be the sum of all of the balls? I mean, sum of volumes of all of the balls. There are n balls and they are identical.
Okay. So volume will be. We have to learn the formula. So
I'm
4
not
by.
I'm not talking about formula yet. I'm just telling you, I'm just asking you what will be the sum of all the volumes of the balls, sum of all volumes of all of the balls. They are equal and there are n balls.
N.
Yeah, n balls. N is the number of balls, right?
Yeah.
Suppose the volume of one ball is V1. There are n balls, so V1 plus V1 plus V1 plus V1 plus all the way up to n terms, right? There are n V1s here, right?
Yeah.
So what is it going to be? Product sum. There are n V1s here.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And that's n, okay? N in number. There are several others here. So it is going to be
5.
n times V1, n times V1, okay? N times V1. Suppose you had just 5, right? V1 plus V1 plus V1 plus V1 plus V1. Can you write it as 5 times V1? Anish, can you write
Yeah.
it as 5 times V1? Any doubts?
No.
If there were 8 such V1s here, let's say V1, V1, V1. How can you write this as in compact form? What can you write it as? There are 8 V1s here.
Wait, like comprehend.
There are 8 V1s, right? 8 V1s or just V's, right? Let's say just V's. If you have 8
Yeah.
V's, you are adding them. What are you going to get?
So if 8, V plus 8.
8 times.
Oh.
So n V's would mean n times V, that is volume of a sphere, volume of one bullet.
Yeah.
And this will bullet. This will be equal to volume of the solid, the cube. Am I clear? Am I clear up to here till?
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. Now tell me, what is the volume of a sphere? Make it fast. It's 4 minutes
Yeah.
on.
Sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube.
Very good. So we have n times 4 by 3 pi. We are using small letter r for radius of sphere and small letter s for side of the cube. Volume of cube will be side cube, right? Edge cube.
Yeah.
Okay. Plug in the values now. N times
4 by 3 into 22 by 7.
Yep. Go on.
R is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2.
And this is going to be 44 times 4 times, right?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so in order to find out n, what are you going to do?
Multiply.
Yeah, transpose everything. So we have 44 times 44 times 44 times 21. You understand how 21 comes, right?
No.
7 into 3 over here.
No. Okay.
And below here, let's write 4. Can we write this 22 into 2 as 44?
Yeah.
And then we have a couple of 2's. So what can we do? We can cancel out. We can cancel out 44, 44 common. And then we can have 4 11 times and 2 2's for 11 times. So you have 11 into 11 into 21. That's 121 multiplied by 21. Come on, find it out. Product.
Later.
Yeah, you can. 1 minute only, get it done.
2541.
2541.
Yeah.
What is this 2541? Can you tell?
2541 is the volume of the like.
What
No.
are you talking
The.
about?
Huh? I forgot what.
2541 is what? What was the objective behind doing all this?
To find the amount of bullets which can make a lead.
Amount of what?
The amount of spherical bullets
Yeah,
can be
how
made out
many?
of.
We have how many spherical balls? What are you talking about? How many spherical balls means? What was the objective?
I am confused now.
You're confused.
Yeah.
What did we write in the first statement?
Let n be the amount of bullets made.
So what does that mean?
The amount of bullets which are
Amount of bullets or number of bullets? You got to be clear with the
number.
English that you use, right? Okay.
Number.
Number of bullets. So n's value is what we have obtained towards the end, right?
Yeah.
N is 2541. What does that mean? It means that 2541 is the total number of bullets. Right, boy? Total number of bullets made out of the cube. Okay. Yes, Alish. Okay.
Oh, all progress lost.
Yes, it's fine. Let's move on to this question now. Diameter of a copper wire, copper sphere is 6. So, you know, come on, read it once.
Diameter of a copper sphere is 6. The sphere is melted and drawn into a long wire of uniform circular cross section. If the length of the wire is 36, find its radius.
So we have a sphere which is being drawn into what? Which is being drawn into?
The diameter of a copper sphere is 6. The sphere is melted and drawn into a long wire of uniform circular cross section.
So this is being drawn into a wire, right?
Yeah.
A wire. Let me just draw wire for you. Just a little. Okay. So what shape do you find the wire in? What is the shape of the wire?
The wire is this is not cone. Forgot the shape. Cone. No. Oh, cylinder.
It is cylindrical. The wire is cylindrical. We had a copper sphere, so this is sphere. Okay. Now, Tell me what is the radius of sphere? Find out from the question.
Radius of sphere. The radius of sphere is like with the formula. Radius. Volume is 2 pi r square.
I am just asking you about radius. Come on, let me know.
Oh, it is radius. Oh, okay. The radius of what?
Oh, sphere.
Oh, I have to find it. Oh, diameter 6.3. Then
So radius of sphere is 3. Let's represent it by capital. What is the radius of the cross section? Cross section means this, okay? This circle over here, right? This is called cross section. So radius of the cross section, what is it given? What is it given as radius of cross section? Radius of the wire. Let's just keep it simple. Radius of the cylinder.
cross section. Radius. Oh, wait. What is the cross section? What's the cross section? Hello?
Yes, Arnesh.
What
I'm
cross section?
just asking you about radius of the cylindrical wire. Radius of base of cylindrical wire. Let's keep it simple. Forget about cross section for now. Is it given in the question?
Oh, no. Wait, yeah. Cross section. The sphere is melted and then I'm confused.
What is to be found out? Read the last part.
The length of the wire is 36 centimeter. Find its radius.
So radius is to be found out, boy.
Oh. Okay, of the cylinder.
Yes, radius is to be found out. Radius question mark. Okay, what is the height of the cylinder? What can you refer? What can you infer from the question? What can you derive or extract from the question? What is the height of the cylinder or length of wire?
Height of the cylinder is 36 centimeters.
That is the length of the wire or height of the cylinder, 36 centimeters. Fantastic. Now, I just told you that if you are sort of melting and changing a solid into another, the volume will remain. The volume will remain.
The volume will same.
Yes, volume will be same. Very good. Very good. So all we need to do is create an equation, frame an equation. Volume of cylindrical wire, volume of wire is equal to volume of sphere. Got the idea, boy?
Yeah.
What is volume of wire? What formula are you going to use for this?
Volume of the wire. Wire 36. So
Wire is cylindrical, right? Wire is
yeah.
cylinder. So what is going to be the volume of cylinder?
Cylinder. I didn't write this.
Pi r squared h.
Okay.
And volume of a sphere is 4/3 by r cubed. I'm using capital R for radius of sphere, small r for radius of cylinder, okay?
Yeah.
Cool. Can we cancel out pi's, eliminate pi's? Pi appears here, pi appears here. Can be cancelled out, right?
Yeah.
So let's move on with this. Our radius of the wire is to be found out. R square. What is H?
H is just
For the cylinder?
H no.
4/3 by
R cube.
3 into 3 into 3. Okay, what next?
R square equals 4 times 3 times 3 by 36. I'll be
12 3 is 36, finished. 3 3 cancelled. So we have r square is equal to 1. If r square is 1, what is r going to be?
1.
1. Of course, square root of 1 would be 1. 1 is the square of itself. So this is 1 centimeter. Radius of the cross section of the wire. Radius of the cylinder. Done.
Okay.
Got the idea? Is it clear?
Yeah.
This is the radius of cylindrical wire. Radius of base of cylindrical wire or radius of cross section?
You asked a question?
No, I didn't. I have troubled you a lot already, right? It's time to sort of shut myself up. Cross section of the wire. So how is cricket going on?
Like my cricket or India
Yeah,
cricket?
your cricket. I know India's cricket 46 all out recently, right?
Yeah.
So I'm asking about your cricket.
Yeah. Yeah, it's going good.
Going good, okay. What is the future of cricket in Dubai? Sorry, Singapore. Anish.
Not really any future. Just I won't play cricket. I do this as a side hobby.